Welcome to our project on setting up a web server using OpenSUSE Leap 15.5. This video assumes you have a basic understanding of creating a bootable USB drive. The video has been sped up and edited to save time with the installation process. The GUI network configuration is automatically setting up networking for access to the latest files during installation. Choose your preferred language and keyboard layout for the installation process. We'll opt for online updates to ensure we have the latest versions of packages. If you prefer not to, you can skip this option. We're overwriting existing drives with an old OS setup used for another video. Now, let's create a user account. Enter your full name, username, and password. We'll now add our server options and select software packages for our server project. Before finalizing our installation, select additional software packages based on your requirements. We need Apache web server, MySQL database, and PHP language. Let's install the LAMP stack for our web server setup. Once the installation is complete, remove the USB drive and reboot your system. Log into your system and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.